If you're driving where it's busy, you're competing with everybody else. But if you want to make real money, you need to go where the problems are. Today, I'm breaking down pain points and how being a solution to these problems can turn into high-paying clients. Now let's talk about something most drivers completely overlook, and it's one of the biggest money makers if you understand it. That's pain points. Now pain points, they are a big deal for one reason. They represent a problem. And if there's a problem and you show up with a solution, a worry-free, no-headache solution, people, they will pay you every single time. That's the game. You're not just a driver, you're the solution. Now most drivers, they're out here chasing demand. Downtown, airports, and bar areas. And yeah, you'll stay busy. But so is everyone else. You're just another car in a long line of cars. There's no real advantage there. But when you start focusing on pain points, now you're not just competing, you're solving. And the driver who solves the problem, they become valuable. So what is a pain point? A pain point is any situation where getting a ride is frustrating, unreliable, or stressful. And your job, that's to remove that stress. To make it simple, easy, and worry-free. Because that's what people actually pay for. Now let's start with the big one. Events and concerts. Now everybody knows events are busy. But here's where drivers get it wrong. They focus on the ride there. That's not a pain point. The real pain point is after the event. When it ends, it's chaos. People can't find their ride, drivers are canceling, prices are surging, and everyone's tired and they just want to go home. That's the problem. So if you position yourself as the solution before that moment even happens, well, you win. You tell them, hey, when this ends, it's going to be a mess. If you want, I can pick you up right after. No waiting, no hassle. Now, you're not just a driver, you're a worry-free solution to a stressful situation. Now let's talk another major pain point. That's areas that drivers avoid. These are usually out-of-the-way neighborhoods, higher income areas, and places that aren't consistently busy. Now most drivers, they don't want to go there. Why? Well, because it's not guaranteed rides. But that's exactly why it's valuable. Because the people who live there, they have a problem. They can't reliably get rides when they need them. Drivers cancel, wait times are long, and sometimes they can't even get a car at all. Now that's a pain point. And again, if you show up as a solution, you become valuable. Think about when these people actually need rides. Airport trips, nights out, special events. These aren't random low-value rides. These are important moments when they don't want stress. They don't want to wonder if a driver's going to cancel. They don't want to be late for a flight. They want it handled. They want it worry-free. And they want what you're offering. This is where drivers miss the opportunity. They hear passengers complain and they ignore it. But if you're paying attention, your passengers are literally telling you their problems. They'll say, it took forever to get a ride. Drivers always cancel out here. It's so hard to get to the airport from here. That right there, that is a pain point. That's an opportunity to step in as a solution. And it doesn't have to be complicated. You could say something simple like, yeah, I hear that a lot out here. And a lot of drivers don't like coming this way. If you ever need a reliable ride, airport, dinner, anything, I do private rides too. That's it. You're positioning yourself as the solution. Reliable, simple, no headaches. Now let's talk about how to actually find these pain points in your city. Because every market is different, but the concept is always the same. First, you go where it's inconvenient. If an area feels like a hassle to drive to, that's a clue. Because if it's inconvenient for you, it's inconvenient for other drivers too. Which means customers, they're dealing with a problem. Now second, you want to look for people with money, but with limited service, not busy areas and not nightlife areas, but places where people live, and when they need a ride, they need it done right. That's where being a solution matters most. Third, you want to listen. This is the easiest and most overlooked strategy. Your passengers, they will literally tell you exactly where their problems are, and more if you hear the same complaint in the same area. That's not random. That's a pain point you could build around. Fourth, you want to understand timing. Some pain points only exist at certain times. Early morning airport runs, late night event pickups, post-concert chaos. It's not always about where, it's about when. And if you could show up consistently in those moments as a solution, well, you become the go-to. Now here's the mindset shift that changes everything. If you're just driving, you'll always be chasing rides. But if you become a solution to specific problems, you don't chase anymore. People, they come to you. They call you, they text you, and they rely on you because you removed the stress. You made it easy and you made it worry-free. And that's really what pain points are all about. It's not about just identifying the problem. Anybody can see a problem, but if you're not offering a solution, it doesn't matter. The money comes from being the solution. And if you don't need a ton of people to make that work, a small group of repeat clients who trust you to handle their rides, airports, events, nights out, that could turn into consistent, high-paying income, all because you solved a problem better than somebody else. Start paying attention to problems in your market. Don't just drive, listen. And when you see a pain point, ask yourself, how can I be a solution? Drop a comment and let me know the type of pain points you're noticing. And if you want more strategies like this, make sure you subscribe to Fares and Frustration.